Good evening. The reopening of New Mexico is on hold. In fact, Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham is telling New Mexicans we are dangerously close to moving backwards. News 13's Courtney Allen joins us live from home this evening with the very latest details. Courtney?
Dean, the governor's team says for the first time, New Mexico is doing worse when it comes to coronavirus. And it's because people aren't doing their part to help slow the spread.
Reopening New Mexico is paused.
That what we're seeing is incredibly problematic.
Coronavirus cases are up in every region of the state and among young people ages 20 to 39. The spread rate of the virus is increasing, and there's a real chance that if people don't correct their behaviors, we may have to shut back down.
We aren't really ready, certainly, to expand any further. To do that would be out of the question.
Under the new public health order, now in effect through July 15th, all current restrictions and occupancies remain the same, but anyone traveling to New Mexico, either by car or plane, must self-quarantine for 14 days upon arrival. As Dr. David Scrace says, we've seen roughly 10% of positive cases recently come from New Mexicans who've traveled out of state.
We're really seeing a significant upward trend as well, where 9 to 10% now of all of our cases are resulting from New Mexicans leaving the state.
Plus, the state will now be aggressively enforcing the mask mandate. Businesses now must require them. Business owners and individuals who violate the mandate face a $100 fine.
You're not wearing them. And we are seeing trends, particularly, and we're seeing an uptick now, as you saw, in younger populations who are infected, who are not wearing masks anywhere.
The governor says what's causing the upward trend is people not social distancing. For example, this was the scene at Manzano Mesa Park in Albuquerque over the weekend for the Truck and Grill event. Hundreds of people gathered, hardly any wearing masks. The governor says this 4th of July weekend, people must stay home and stay the course.
We flattened the curve once before, and I have no doubt that we are able and we will together flatten it again.
The governor says if our trends don't stabilize or improve in the next week, the state will reenact restrictions on indoor dining and alcohol services, gym, retailers, and houses of worship. Back to you.
All right, Courtney, thank you. Now, this comes as the state reaches the grim milestone today of 500 deaths.